You've been staring at your neighbor's yard for too long, and they've been staring at yours. But the moment you plant any one of these 10 shrubs, that problem disappears forever, and you never pick up a pair of pruning shears again. Not once. Not ever. Welcome to Garden's Heaven, the place where your garden works for you, not the other way around. Whether you're brand new here or you've been growing with us for a while, you are in exactly the right place today. Now before we get into all 10 of these shrubs, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button right now, because what's coming next is the kind of information most gardeners spend years trying to figure out on their own. You won't have to. Let's get into it. Number 1 is called wax myrtle, and if you just paused and said what is that? Good. That is exactly the reaction it deserves. Wax myrtle Morella cerifera is one of those shrubs that garden centers have been quietly stocking for years while most homeowners walk right past it heading for something they saw on television. That is a costly mistake, because in a single growing season, this plant pushes between 3 and 5 feet of new growth, not inches, feet. Plant a row of these along your fence line in spring and by autumn you already have the beginning of a living, breathing wall that belongs entirely to you. Now here is where it gets really good for anyone who hates yard work. Wax myrtle is what botanists call a self-organizing plant. Left completely alone, it grows into a full dense upright form all by itself. No wild sprawling. No random branches shooting sideways into your path. Just clean, intentional looking growth that makes it appear like a professional landscaper designed your yard. Nobody did. That is simply what wax myrtle does. And because it is evergreen, the privacy screen it builds for you in summer does not disappear when temperatures drop. It stays up all year round. Touring. It thrives in USDA hardiness zones 7 through 11, tolerates poor soil, handles drought once established, and even survives coastal salt air without complaining. Plant them 5 to 6 feet apart. Water them through their first season, and then leave them alone. They fill every gap themselves within 2 seasons, and give you a continuous green barrier that looks expensive. It was not. You just knew about wax myrtle. Number 2 is Loropetalum. Say it slowly. Loropetalum. Now forget the pronunciation and just remember this. It is the shrub that makes people stop their car, roll down the window and ask you what on earth you planted in your garden. That is not an exaggeration. That is a Tuesday afternoon when this thing is in full swing. Loropetalum chinense, is an evergreen shrub with deep burgundy foliage that holds its color every single month of the year. Not just in autumn when everything turns red and people act impressed. Every single month. And a few times a year it explodes into these wild, wispy, hot pink flowers that look like something a florist arranged on purpose. It grows 4 to 6 feet per year, forms a naturally dense rounded shape with 0 pruning, and creates a privacy screen so thick and so visually dramatic that your fence basically becomes irrelevant. Here is the part that makes gardeners genuinely excited. Most privacy shrubs give you green, just green, mile after mile of green along your property line. Loropetalum gives you color, texture, flowers, and fullness all at once, and it does all of that while asking almost nothing from you in return. It grows in zones 7 through 10, handles heat, tolerates a range of soils, and once it settles in, it is remarkably drought resistant. Plant it 6 feet apart, step back, and prepare to spend the next several years accepting compliments you barely earned. Alright, stop for a second. Look out your window right now. Actually do it. Look at your property line. Is there anything growing there that stops people from seeing straight into your yard? If the answer is no, or if what you have there is thin, patchy, and barely doing its job. Number 3 on this list was made specifically for you. Meet viburnum, more specifically, Viburnum odoratissimum, the sweet viburnum. And yes, that middle part of the name tells you exactly what you are getting. This shrub blooms with small white flowers that carry a fragrance so clean and pleasant that people walking past your garden will slow down without even realizing why. Their nose just pulled them in. That is the kind of garden power most people do not even know they can have. Now here is your task. Picture a wall. Not a timber fence that rots. Not a brick wall that costs a fortune. But a living green wall that grows taller and thicker every single season without you lifting a single tool. That is sweet viburnum. It pushes 3 to 4 feet of growth per year. Forms a naturally upright dense shape, and in zones 8 through 10 it stays evergreen all year long. Plant them 4 to 5 feet apart and within 2 seasons you will not be able to see through them at all. Not even a little bit. And the best part? Go ahead and drop a number 3 in the comments right now if you are adding this one to your list. Because sweet viburnum does not just block views, it builds atmosphere. It turns a plain garden boundary into something that feels intentional, designed and quietly impressive, and it did it all without you ever picking up a pair of pruning shears. Alone done without you. Didn't deliver. Thin stems, slow growth, half dead by summer. Sound familiar? Well, number 4 on this list is about to make you forget every single one of those disappointments. Because this one does not play around. This is Thuja Green Giant. And the name alone should tell you it means business. Thuja Green Giant, Thuja standaceae explicata, is arguably the most reliable fast-growing privacy plant in the entire gardening world. It grows 3 to 5 feet every single year. Every year, without fail, without fertilizer obsession, without you hovering over it with a watering can every morning. It just goes, straight up dense dark green and absolutely magnificent. Within 5 years you have a towering evergreen screen that blocks wind, noise, neighbors and anything else you would rather not see or hear. But to don't. Here is your task for this one. Grab a piece of paper or open your phone notes right now and write down the length of your property line you want to screen off. Then divide that number by 6. That is roughly how many Thuja Green Giants you need. Plant them 6 feet apart, water them well through their first season and then genuinely walk away. They are cold hardy down to zone 5. Heat tolerant up to zone 8 and resistant to most pests and diseases that take down lesser plants. Drop a comment below telling us how many you are going to need. We want to see those numbers. And if this list is already changing how you think about your garden, hit that like button right now because we are only just getting started. Okay, here is a question nobody in the gardening world talks about enough. What if your privacy screen could also feed the birds, attract butterflies, smell incredible, and still never need pruning? What if one single shrub could do all of that at the same time? Most people would say that sounds too good to be true. But those people have not met number 5 yet. This is elderberry, American elderberry to be precise. Sambucus canadensis. And before you say anything, yes, this is the same plant that makes elderberry syrup, elderberry tea and all those immune-boosting products flying off health store shelves right now. But forget the health food store for a moment. Because in your garden, this plant is doing something far more impressive. It grows 6 to 12 feet in a single season. Read that again, 6 to 12 feet, in one season. It forms a wide arching naturally full canopy of deep green leaves that creates a lush soft boundary, unlike anything a traditional shrub can give you. Tolkien, here is your task. Think about a spot in your garden that feels exposed, empty, and honestly a little sad. A corner that gets ignored. A side fence that has nothing going for it. That is exactly where elderberry goes. It thrives in zones 3 through 9, which means almost every single person watching this video right now can grow it. It handles wet soil, dry soil, full sun and partial shade without throwing a tantrum. And every summer it crowns itself with massive flat white flower clusters that butterflies absolutely cannot resist. Drop a comment below and tell us, did you know elderberry could do all of this in a garden? Because most people had absolutely no idea, and now you do. Hey, really quick, if this list is already making you rethink your entire garden layout, do me a favor right now. Hit that like button, drop a comment telling me which shrub so far is your absolute favorite, and if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? We are exactly halfway through, and trust me, the second half of this list is where it gets really interesting. Stay with me. Now this next one is genuinely special. And I say that because out of every shrub on this entire list, number 6 is the one that makes experienced gardeners do a double take. Not because it is rare, not because it is hard to find, but because it looks like it should be expensive and high maintenance and absolutely is neither of those things. This is ninebark, Physocarpus opulifolius. And the first thing you notice about ninebark is that the foliage comes in the most dramatic deep burgundy purple you have ever seen on a garden shrub. We are talking rich, moody, almost chocolatey tones that make every green plant around it suddenly look more interesting just by comparison. It grows 2 to 3 feet per year, forms a naturally arching rounded shape that requires zero intervention, and in late spring it covers itself in clusters of creamy white flowers that bees treat like an all-you-can-eat buffet. Your garden becomes a whole ecosystem without you doing anything extra. Here is what makes it perfect for a privacy screen specifically. Ninebark is incredibly dense from the base all the way up. There are no awkward bare legs at the bottom like you get with so many fast-growing shrubs that shoot tall but leave a see-through gap at fence level. Ninebark fills that space completely. It grows in zones 2 through 8, which makes it one of the coldest hardy options on this entire list. Handles poor soil without drama, and once established needs almost no water. Plant it 5 feet apart, Give it one good season to root in, and then just watch it transform your boundary into something that looks like it came straight out of a high-end garden magazine. Drop a comment below and tell us, did you even know this plant existed before today? Alright, I want you to think about something for a moment. Every shrub we have talked about so far has been beautiful, fast-growing, and low maintenance. But what if your property has a problem that goes beyond just privacy? What if you have got a slope that erodes every time it rains, a wet boggy corner that kills everything you plant there, or a stretch of ground so dry and difficult that nothing seems to want to grow? Number 7 does not just survive those conditions, it absolutely thrives in them. Meet buttonbush, Cephalanthus occidentalis. And before you scroll past that name, stay right here, because this shrub is about to solve problems in your garden that you have been losing sleep over. Buttonbush grows 4 to 6 feet per year, handles standing water, drought, poor drainage, and compacted soil, all with the same level of unbothered energy. It is the plant equivalent of someone who stays completely calm no matter what chaos is happening around them. And in summer it produces these perfectly round creamy white flower balls that look so unusual and so architectural that people genuinely stop and stare trying to figure out what they are looking at. Here is your task for this one. Walk your property this weekend. Find the one spot that has defeated every plant you have ever tried to grow there. The soggy corner, the dry bank, the awkward strip between your fence and the road. Write it down in the comments and tell us what your problem spot looks like, because buttonbush was basically designed for exactly that place. It grows in zones 5 through 10, attracts an extraordinary number of pollinators, and creates a privacy screen so full and so unique that it stops being just a boundary and starts being an actual feature of your garden. Something worth showing off. Take. Quick show of hands. Or better yet, drop a number 8 in the comments if this has ever happened to you. You plant something beautiful along your fence line. It grows wonderfully all spring and summer, and then the moment winter arrives it drops every single leaf and your privacy screen disappears completely. Just gone, like it was never there. And suddenly you are back to square one, staring at your neighbor's yard all over again. If that sounds familiar, number 8 is the permanent solution to that exact problem. This is cherry laurel, Prunus laurocerasus. And what makes cherry laurel genuinely remarkable is the combination of speed and substance it brings to your garden at the same time. It grows 2 to 3 feet per year, but the leaves are these large glossy deep green beauties that are so dense and so overlapping that even a young cherry laurel hedge blocks views almost immediately. It does not wait until it is fully mature to start doing its job. It starts working for you from the very first season, and it never stops because it is evergreen through every single month of the year, including the coldest ones. Here is the part that makes gardeners genuinely love this plant. Cherry laurel is one of those rare shrubs that looks equally impressive whether you are standing right next to it or viewing it from across the street. Up close, those glossy leaves catch the light in a way that looks almost tropical. From a distance, the hedge reads as full, structured, and deeply intentional. It grows in zones 6 through 9, tolerates shade better than almost anything else on this list, which makes it perfect for north-facing boundaries, and handles both dry and moderately wet soil without skipping a beat. Plant them 4 feet apart and within 3 seasons, you will have a privacy screen so solid and so beautiful that visitors to your garden will assume you hired someone. You did not. You just knew about cherry laurel. We are almost at the end of this list and I need you to stay right here because number 9 might genuinely be the most underrated shrub in the entire gardening world. And I mean that. This is the one that experienced gardeners whisper about at plant nurseries while everyone else is loading their trolleys with the same 3 shrubs they always buy. Today you get to be in on the secret. This is Maritimus rosemary. And yes, before you say anything, this is the same rosemary family you know from your kitchen. But Maritimus is the wild coastal version. And in the garden, it behaves like an entirely different creature. It grows in a wide sweeping cascading form that spills beautifully over slopes, walls, and raised beds while still building enough density to create a genuine low to mid-level privacy screen along boundaries. It pushes 2 to 3 feet of growth per year, stays evergreen in zones 7 through 11, and from late winter all the way through spring it covers itself in the most delicate pale blue flowers that pollinators treat like an absolute paradise. Bees arrive before you even finish planting it. That is not an exaggeration. Here is your task. Think about the lowest point of your garden boundary. The spot where a tall upright shrub would look completely out of place, but bare ground or a plain low fence looks equally wrong. That awkward in-between space. That is exactly where Maritimus rosemary belongs. It handles poor soil, extreme drought, coastal winds, and steep slopes without a single complaint. Plant it 3 to 4 feet apart, give it full sun, and then do absolutely nothing else. It handles everything from that point forward. Drop a comment below and tell us whether you have ever thought of rosemary as a privacy plant before today, because after this video you will never look at it the same way again. And here we are. Number 10. The final shrub on this list. And I saved this one for last deliberately because out of everything we have covered today, this is the one that is going to surprise you the most. Not because it is the flashiest, not because it grows the fastest, but because once you hear what it does, you are going to wonder why nobody ever told you about it before. This is sweet olive, Osmanthus fragrans. And the name gives you the first clue. Sweet olive produces the most intensely fragrant tiny white flowers you will ever encounter in a garden setting. We are talking about a fragrance so powerful and so clean that a single mature shrub can perfume your entire outdoor space from 20 to 30 feet away. Guests will walk into your garden, stop mid-sentence, look around confused, and ask you where that incredible smell is coming from. It is coming from your privacy screen, your fence, your boundary, the thing that is also blocking your neighbors from seeing into your yard. That is what sweet olive does. It grows 1 to 2 feet per year, which makes it the most patient plant on this list. But what it lacks in speed, it more than makes up for in presence. The foliage is dense, dark, glossy, and evergreen in zones 7 through 11. It forms a naturally compact upright shape with no pruning needed, handles partial shade beautifully, and blooms not just once but multiple times throughout the year. Spring, summer, autumn, sometimes even winter. It just keeps giving. Plant them 4 feet apart along your boundary, and within 4 to 5 seasons you will have a living wall that smells like the most expensive garden in your entire neighborhood. Because it genuinely does. And that is your list. 10 shrubs, 0 pruning, maximum privacy, and every single one of them doing the hard work so you absolutely do not have to. Now here is what I want you to do right now, before you click away. Go back through this video in your head and pick your top 3. The 3 shrubs that made you stop and think, yes, that one is going in my garden. Then come down to the comments and tell us which 3 you picked and why. I read every single comment on this channel and I genuinely want to know which ones grabbed you. If this video gave you something useful today, something you did not know before you pressed play, then hit that like button right now. It takes 1 second and it helps this channel reach more garden lovers who are out there right now making expensive low-maintenance mistakes they do not have to make. And if you are not subscribed yet, join the Gardens Heaven family today. Every single week we bring you practical, honest, money-saving garden knowledge that actually works in the real world. No fluff, no filler, just good gardening. Now fluff. We will see you in the next one. Your garden is waiting.